Greetings, this is Edward Hood, founder of MassAddress. In this video, I will be going over our application so people understand how this technology works and how it safeguards identity. When you open the app, you will see three buttons: Authenticate, Create Singularity, Invite Member. Authenticate is for people who already have a Singularity inside the MassAddress network. Create Singularity is for people who do not. Invite Member is for people who are inside the network and want to invite someone else. MassAddress works off the same procedures found in the U.S. Department of Defense Special Access Program. This is the same program which protects top secret information. Let's start with Authenticate. So we'll open up the app, click Authenticate, I'll enter in my email address, click Continue. My email address will receive a one-time password, and the secondary contact will also receive a one-time password. So once this data is entered, if it's entered correctly, you click Authenticate, the system checks it. If it's good, you get access to your Singularity. You can view it. All these pieces of information you see here, all these line items, are read-only. You cannot modify them. If you want to change your information, like let's say you get married, change your last name, or you move and you need to change your address, you must create a new Singularity, and you click the Change button, and it will bring you right back to the Singularity creation process. One thing else I want to point out, so people understand. You need to understand this, all right? Do you see these fields? 123 Apple Tree Lane, Tallahassee, Florida, all that. Each field that you see is stored in its own server, in its own network, monitored and secured by its own company. MassAddress does not secure each line item you see here. It is secured by different legal entities on different networks and different servers. And I just want to remind people, once you create the Singularity, you can't quickly go in there and change it, all right? You have to go back through the authentication process and you have to pay a toll. That's what we call it. We call it a toll because unlike a fee or something like that, fees can be refunded, but tolls cannot. MassAddress is like a toll road for identity. We don't care who uses the toll road. That's not our business. Our business is to maintain the road. So if you come up to the gate and you toss in your change, if you enter the correct amount, the gate opens, you can go through. If you enter the incorrect amount, the gate does not open, you can't go through. In this case, it's your personally identifiable information. So if you try to put the wrong information in there, the system will reject you. To create a Singularity, click Create Singularity and read the warning message. It's very important. After you're done with that, click Continue. Enter your email address. This will be the same email address that you received your invitation on. Click Continue. Enter your legal name. Your physical street address is the legal place where you live. It's not somewhere you're staying. It's your legal address on your driver's license or other government documentation. And if your mailing address is different than your physical address, you will unselect this. But if you receive your mail at the same place you live, then you just keep this selected. Click Continue. Click Continue. Enter your social security number and your date of birth. And your phone number is optional. And then you'll be entering your payment information to submit for the Singularity validation. So when you click Create, if all your information is accurate, it should come back and you should have a Singularity created. And it'll look something like this, which we went over in other clips in the video. And that's basically the app. That's how simple it is.